MacBook Pro, MacBook Air A1932 for repair. Problem is no power. There is a shorting in this PP bus line. We replace this both MOSFET. Both MOSFET is shorted to the ground. See, this both MOSFET is shorted to the ground. We replace with the help of our donor, and there is also shorting battery MOSFET. We replace these three component, and after replacement system is now powered on. See, before it's unable to convert 5 volt to 20 volt. Now we connect our DC supply. See, 100 150 5 volt to 20 volt convert, and display logo and sound also coming. This case study of MacBook Air A1932 is complete now. Already trying to repair someone, and there is one crystal also missing inside of CPU. We also replaced the crystal with the help of our donor, and this Mac is now ready. Thank you.